Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Selena, and today I'm showing y'all how to make some apple turnovers. For the filling, place a large deep skillet over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and let melt. You're going to need 4 medium Granny Smith apples. You need to peel them and dice them up, then place them in the skillet and let cook, stirring occasionally until softened or for about 5 minutes. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Then you're going to stir in 1/4 cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And you're going to continue to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the apples are soft and caramelized. Then you're going to remove them from the heat and place aside to let cool. You're going to need 2 sheets of frozen puff pastry dough and thaw them according to package instructions. Then on a floured surface, unfold one of your puff pastry sheets and you're going to roll it out. Now using a pizza cutter, you're going to cut out the pastry sheet into 4 equal sized squares. Then you're going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the apple mixture over the center of each square. You don't want any of that filling touching any of the edges because it will make it difficult to seal. Now for the egg wash. I have 1 egg in a small mixing bowl. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water and beat together. Then you're going to brush the edges with the egg wash. Then use a fork to go all around the edges of the pastry. Then you're going to cut 3 slits on top to create vents. Then you're going to transfer them to a parchment-lined baking sheet and continue this process for the remaining pastries. Once you have all your pastries on the sheet, you're going to refrigerate for 20 minutes. We've learned that by refrigerating them, it keeps the juices from leaking out when they are baking. Before baking, you're going to brush the tops with the remaining egg wash. Then you're going to bake in a preheated 400-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the tops are puffed and golden. While the turnovers are cooling, you can make the glaze. In a small mixing bowl, I have half a cup of powdered sugar, and I like to start off with 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Then you're going to add the cream until you've reached your desired consistency. Then drizzle that glaze over the turnovers. Now you don't want to skip the glaze, being how the pastry itself isn't sweet, so that little bit of sweetness on top is perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed these apple turnovers. This is such an easy way to make them. This is actually one of our favorite apple recipes, and you guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below, and I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Bye!